AJ Schopp's returning at 133 pounds, and I think he's hungry. He tasted it. You get a little taste. You're a top 12 guy. Now he's an All-American, and there's only one more place to go. It's to be a national champion. So I know he has his sights set on that.
Like you said, being on the mat, which I think you just mean just out there, but I say on the mat, on top and bottom, that's where my strong suit is. So being on my feet now, making steps, improvements on my feet to hopefully get to the top this year.
It's a really, really deep weight class. So he's going to have to be better than he was last year just to even get on the stand. And I think he knows that.
Yeah, it's very exciting to do those things. One, just to get out there, get Edinboro's name out there. It's really fun. I wrestled with Beckman 3 times, and he's got me 2 out of the 3. So making it even, hopefully even it up this time.
AJ works hard, and AJ put in a good summer, and I expect him to compete, for national championship.
Yes, opportunity. Regardless who's there, whether it's Stever, I know Oliver graduated, he bumped up a couple weights last year, but it doesn't really matter who's there. There's always an opportunity to win, and I know that I can do it regardless who's there. So I guess more doors are opening up every year as it's going, and hopefully this year's the year, and next year. There's so many different styles of wrestling out there. Not all of them are in here, but there's quite a few, and they're all pretty good. So just wrestling them every day obviously helps everyone out. Not even just us, just anyone who some of the lighter guys that wrestle someone bigger might not be as good, but they're just wrestling so much stronger, using different types of styles and stuff.
Also at 133, Alex Shulman is an upper class returner. I think Alex is working hard. He's decided to go down a weight this year, which I think is going to help him get a lot more wins.